Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with chicken and rice recipes and we're going to make it Indian